protest. You're walking on this ghastly path, madam. Think of your shoes.
Oh, Niles, enough of that. Remind me why we're here again.
Oh, Mrs. Wellington, it's an off-campus affair. You know, to mingle with the clientele, as it were. Okay, shall we? Careful, careful. The shoes, madam, the shoes.
Ida, Charlene, Doug, Catherine.
Lucy?
Yeah.
I only counted 17. We're missing one.
We raised money for this trip? How? Drugs? Was it drugs, Lucy?
You better up this one's dosage.
I'm gonna go have Carlos check the bus.
Oh, and also,
Yeah.
keep an eye on Ben. He brought his kite.
Okay, thanks for the heads up.
Okay.
I think, therefore I am. Lightning! I see lightning!
No, dear, there's no chance of rain today. Come on, let's get back to the group.
Oh, my lightning's right here in front of me.
I'm flattered, but let's get back to the group.
Oh, group! Oh, I can be a groupie! Oh,
Something
groupie.
like that.
Oh, that's fun!
It's okay, everybody. Stay forward, McKenzie.
A new journey begins. Just set your sail and catch your second wind. Second wind, blowing through your life. Second wind makes your world feel right. Like a ship out on the ocean, a new journey begins. Just set your sail and catch your second wind.